Morning guys, Billy Helm here, Heirs of Grace Church. We are looking forward to a beautiful day. We're taking the Hope House girls fishing. Hadn't been to this tank in a while. It's a pretty good size. It's probably 1.5 acres, 2 acres. Caught a lot of fish out of here over the past few years. But hoping the water is going to be warm enough that the fish are moving and the Hope House ladies can hook a few, if you would. So hang out with us a little bit and let's see what we can't do. Hey guys, we're fixing to catch some fish out of that hole over there. Ladies, ready to catch some fish?
Yeah.
Okay, raise your hand. Bass, catfish.
Catfish. Catfish.
Catfish, catfish. Wow, everybody's catfishing except for Deborah, bass fishing. And I'll do both. I'll have one pole in one hand and another pole in the other, and we'll see if we can't catch some fish. Okay. So the thing about liver is, and when you chunk it, you don't want to sling it, you want to toss it.
Okay.
There's a difference, right? You don't want to just rear back and get crazy. You're going to chunk your bait off. But this piece, we're going to drape over the top, and we're just going to go around that treble hook and make sure it drops down on top of that. See that? And all liver is different. They ain't all going to look like this. So you just, sometimes you may just have to rip it a little bit and then take these loose ends and run over the top like so. And again, when you throw it, don't sling it, toss it, okay? And you'll be in good shape. Y'all got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, go catch some fish.
All right.
Yes.
Do you have any around?
Break.
Get underneath him and put your hand all the way against his belly.
You gonna apologize to him when we're eating him?
Yeah.
Old Faithful, little road runner. White road runner, white grub, same. This is the same one from the last video I caught 4 or 5 fish with, still hanging out. And Deborah's done caught 2 with shiners. That's not how you release it.
I know.
And that's that circle hook that did not spit. That's a pretty fish right there. Pretty fish. Let him grow up. Look at that goldfish out there.
Is that your goldfish?
Yeah, he didn't fare so well. I don't know if y'all can see that. My trusty Moore Maker Matador pocket knife. And I'm gonna tell you something. Them Moore Makers, they know how to make some knives. This is a doozy. Keeps an edge on it. Made out of good steel. Here, mate, would you hold that? Of course, you're saying, well, you're just cutting fishing line, but man, I have cut a lot of stuff with this knife. Yesterday on the job site, I was cutting paper with it, and it just,
Tyvek.
man, it's a nice knife. If you don't have you one of these More Maker knives, go to moremaker.com and they'll hook you up. All right, I'd kiss you, but you got slobber all over your mouth.
Ew.
Nice fish. Hey, get me one of them goldfish down there. You catch that on goldfish?
What's that, number 5?
Yep, it's number 5.
Wow.
Number 5. He hammered it. I don't know if he got my bait. Oh, fish on.
Oh! They try to spit out the fish.
Yeah.
The hook sticks.
These little circle hooks are the bomb. I have not had one fish spit the hook out today. If you're gonna keep them and eat them, that's the size you really want right there, and put them big ones back. That's a pretty little fish though.
Look at his red gills. That's crazy.
Yep.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Oh, there we go. That chartreuse. Come on up here, baby.
Look at that.
I don't know if y'all can see him or not. Yeah, he's pretty. And I caught him right up on the bank. So, water's getting warm and them bass are, he's pretty. Look at that.
Got some healthy fish in this.
Yeah, this is a real healthy fish. No parasites. Looks good. We're gonna release him. Pretty little fish. Nice. All right.
Number 7. I think Deborah's winning today. What up? Number 7.
One thing you gotta do when you're using liver or punch bait is you need to be checking your bait. Just like that. Empty hook ain't gonna catch you much. Uh-oh. Looks like he swallowed that rascal. No. Down there a little bit. You did.
Really cool in his bait.
Good job, mate. He's like, Deborah done caught me 9 times.
Deborah's catching so many fish, she's getting tired of getting out of her lawn chair. The hammer and the menace. Nice fish. Let me get me one of them goldfish down there. You catch out on goldfish or? Little guy, I think. He bumped it twice. Yeah. Faithful little road runner. Fortunately, he didn't spit the hook out. Now see, if you're gonna keep them and eat them, that's the size you really want right there, and put them big ones back. Danny King's punch bait. I got a real good story. Mate, you wanna hear it?
Of course.
I've been out at Bastrop fishing all night, loaded my boat plumb full of channel cat, and I was using Danny King's punch bait. And I went through Whataburger. I was fishing by myself, and I thought, you know what, I'd like one of them taquitos about right now. So I went through Whataburger, pulled up there, and that lady says, "What is that awful smell?" I said, "That's Danny King's punch bait, man." She goes, "What is it?" I said, "It's the best fish bait money can buy." Anyway, that's my fishing story with Danny King's punch bait. Now let's go catch some fish.
Good story, bro.
All right, so this liver is draped over. I want to make sure it's sitting down on those barbs really good. And then when I chunk it, I don't want to sling it. I want to toss it. That there is a big one. So I want to let it sink, tighten it up a little bit, but I don't want to drag it. I want to bury it in that moss, and I don't want to lose my bait. That's perfect. Right there, whoa! Woo! Oh yeah, fish on. That's a goldfish right there, whoa! You're gonna need a new setup.
Are you done? Because I'm gonna go get Annie.
Yeah, go get Annie. Another one. Another one with that chartreuse roadrunner. Second cousin of the rest of them rascals. Need to pull some of them out. There's a whole lot of them in here. Look at that.
Yep.
See that?
Yep.
Fish bass running that bait up on the bank.
You're just getting dirty now, boy. Ooh. He growled. Did he growl?
Yeah, big growl.
Look at him. Yeah. I can't really get the hook out of his mouth though.
Number 8. You just throw them out there and catch them.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Go ahead and set it down.
I just like holding them.
Yeah, I know. But I want to look here. I want to show you something.
Okay.
You want to get under his belly, okay? That way he can't flip up and get you.
Okay.
He needs a bath, that's for sure.
Yeah, he does.
That's a pretty fish.
He was rolling around.
Did it fight?
A little bit, yeah. He didn't even get the whole bait.
See, if you would have been holding him from the top and he did that.
I wasn't holding him from the top. I was holding him underneath.
You what?
Yeah, I just had him like this.
Oh, okay.
I had him.
We didn't even get to eat his bait.
All right, Becca, thumbs
Can
up.
somebody undo that?
My ball broke.
Oh my God.
Like my pole, like legit broke. So it was just gonna
Where's the fish? Oh,
That's funny.
oh my.
Grab that.
Nice.
Hi, guy.
The pole is broke. But you caught a fish, a big one. Big old fish. Go, Case. Ooh, look at that big bass.
This is about as big as the last one.
So we caught about 30 fish today. 30 total, I think, is what we figured out. Most of those being bass. These are all the catfish we caught, the ladies caught. They'll fillet up real nice. Did y'all have a good time, ladies?
Yes, yeah.
Did you learn anything?
Yes. Patience.
Patience, and hopefully next time how to take a fish off a hook
Yes.
and put it on the
How
stringer.
to hold a fish. Yeah.
Right? Now, all you got to do is learn how to clean them and cook them. Right?
How to put the bait on.
How to put the bait on. Deborah, you tore them up today.
Did. I got 11 fish today.
Last 2 times you didn't catch nothing.
Nothing.
See how that works?
I haven't caught
That's why they
nothing.
call it fishing, not catching. All right, Lord bless y'all. Okay, pretty good day. Talked to the landowner. We're gonna come back in a few weeks and get rid of some of those small bass. He got so many bass about that long in there. It's just overpopulated. We did catch some bigger ones. We're gonna let them be, and then we're gonna have a fish fry. But all in all, I think we caught 30 fish today. We kept 5 really nice channel cat, weighing anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds. Gonna fillet them up here in a little bit. The ladies all caught fish and had a good time. That's what's important. Right, mate?
Yep.
All right, guys. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us, but until next time, Lord bless you.